Yes, students. Now, in the S block, the next content is alkaline earth metal. Okay, it belongs to group second. Okay, these elements are beryllium, okay, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Okay, it is what? Barium, and the last one is radium. Radium is radioactive element. Therefore, we will discuss the properties only up to barium. Atomic number, it is 2. So 8, this is become, sorry, 4, this is 12. Then again 8, this will be 20. Then add 18, so that will become what? 38. Okay, then again add 18, 8, 8, 6, 3, 1, 4, and 1, 5, 56. And now add 32, that is become 88. General outer configuration of these elements is NS2. That is, in S subshell, there are 2 electrons. Okay, student, these elements like magnesium and calcium, they are fairly abundant in earth crust in the form of chlorides and sulfates. These chlorides and sulfates are responsible for hardness of water, which we have discussed in earlier content. But rest of the element, they are not abundant as the magnesium and calcium. Properties. First one, atomic radius. Student, actually what? After the study of alkali metal of first group, now when we perform the study of alkaline earth metal, we have to compare all the properties of alkaline earth metal with the alkali metal. Therefore, I am also giving the study about the comparative properties. Atomic radius, okay, of second group elements are lesser, or you can say smaller as compared to alkali metals of first group. Alkali metals. Okay. Simply, what could be the explanation? Explanation is due to increase in proton nuclear attraction force increases, hence atomic radius decreases. Atomic radius decreases. That is, their atomic radius is lesser than the atomic radius of alkali metal. Like you can call first group elements have the bigger atomic radius as compared to the second group elements. Okay. Next one, that is B. Okay. Actually what? We are performing study in 2 parts, along the period and what? Down the group. Okay. Atomic radius regularly increases. Now, why increases? Due to addition of one shell. Okay, but the increase is not so regular. Okay, due to effective nuclear attraction force, which is called what? Z effect. We have already discussed Z effect in the previous group. Next one is ionization enthalpy. It is also one of the very important property. Like here we can say ionization enthalpy of group 2 is higher. Okay, group second is higher than group first. Okay, due to smaller size, okay, and strong nuclear attraction force. Okay, but second ionization enthalpy of second group elements are lower as compared to first group. Now the question arises what? Why? So student, here we can deal first group element, they have configuration what? NS1, while the second group element, they have configuration what? NS2. So the release of one electron, okay, release of one electron is easy, okay, due to single electron. But in case of what? First ionization enthalpy of second group, the release of electron, it forms what? M1 cation. That is, now the configuration becomes what? NS1. Okay, so release of second electron from NS1 is quite easy. Okay, while release of second electron from alkali metal cation, that is first group cation, alkali metal cation require very high energy due to stable configuration. Actually what? After release of electron, now the alkali metal cation will acquire what? Stable configuration, so its ionization enthalpy becomes very high.